Alright, we're back. Working in the dark again. It's getting dark out there. So now we're going to try to adjust the carburetor a little bit on the idle mixture. We ran out of time to do the needle adjustment, so we'll have to do that later. So now we're just going to work on the idle speed. You basically lean it out. You turn the idle mixture screw in all the way until it starts to run really crappy, and you unscrew it until it runs the best, which is the highest RPM usually. And then that's where you leave it. But as it warms up, it'll change because it's cold right now. Alright, that clock is on right now or not?
Yes, on.
First give the throttle a little hesitant, and then it goes.
Mm-hmm.
There's that first little crack off the idle mixture, so it's a little lean right in that one little spot.
Okay.
So I leaned it out, so like I said, the slot, the screwdriver's about right
Fetting
here.
it up, right?
First I moved it a half turn richer, and that made it run a lot cleaner. So as it warms up, that will change, it'll be leaner.
Mm-hmm.
And it's going to wind up being straight, or maybe over to here after it leans out, or
Okay.
warms up a little bit. But if you have that little hesitant right off the idle, then it's fatten up a little bit until it goes
Right.
away. And it's just right as you crack it, you can hear it, it's kind of, and then it goes up. Because you want to work progressively. As you give it throttle, it progressively goes higher.
Right.
Nice linear curve.
Right.
You don't want to have it all of a sudden, whoop, and it goes way up. You don't want to do that. If you keep giving it gas, nothing happens, and it's not happy.
Right.
And it's not real stinky. It would smell like exhaust. It's really rich. Obviously, it's not real rich.
And the plugs are saying that too.
Well, that's riding condition, the plugs,
Right.
which is a little bit more throttle. But yeah, it's the same thing. Anyway, that's how you adjust that. So basically, when you get home, or you can do it tomorrow after it warms up, you can adjust it again, find that sweet spot. Probably by the time you get home, it'll be a little bit on the fat side of idle anyway.
Right.
So just have a little screwdriver in your pocket, you
Yeah.
just reach in there and get in there. Fine tune where it's at. Once you figure out where it wants to be at, count how many turns it's out,
Yeah.
and you put it right back there whenever you dig
Right.
it. At least we'll know, because that's not going to change. Even if you change that needle, it's still going to be, the idle mixture is going to be about the same spot. It won't affect it too much.
Okay.
You know, as the motor gets broken in, it'll affect it slightly, but not too much.
Right.
And if you change this air cleaner out to the different air cleaner, then that
We'll wait
might
to change it again. Yeah.
that might affect it a little bit too, but it won't affect it by much.
Mm-hmm.
Unless there's really a problem with the other air filter.
Right.
Well, there was a problem with this filter, one or two.
Well, I just cleaned this and
Yeah.
reloaded it. So.
Yeah, it looks it's a high flow unit, so there shouldn't
Yeah.
be a restriction to it anyway.
Right.
But anyway, it's pretty responsive, like we already knew.
Mm-hmm.
So, all right, you're good to go. Go out and hammer it and get home before it rains or it gets too dark.
Yeah, exactly.
Does the headlight work?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right.
Independently.
Oh, it flashes on and off.
Yeah.
It's a pulsar light.
Yeah.
Nice, wonderful. Wiring issues, though.
Yeah, there's some wiring.
Okay, well, that's it for now on that.